Hi YouTube, Tim Unkert from UnkertEducation.com here. In this video, we're going to install PhpStorm on a Chromebook. So the first thing we need to do is enable the Linux development environment. To do that, I'm going to click on the launcher here and find my settings. Click on Settings, go to the left-hand side, go to Advanced, click on that, and this tab should expand and you'll see Developers. I'm going to click on that, and where I see Linux Development Environment, I'm going to click Turn On and then Next. It'll give me a username which is based off of my email, I believe. I'm going to keep that as is, and a recommended disk size which can be changed later. I'm going to keep that as is. I'm going to click Install, and that's going to take a few moments, so I'll come on back once that's done. Okay, once the Linux development environment is installed, a terminal will pop up. I'm going to maximize this and increase the font size so you can see what I'm doing. I want to make sure everything is up to date, so I'm going to type sudo apt-get update and then 2 ampersands, which means and then sudo apt-get dist-upgrade. And I'm going to use a -y flag so I don't have to answer yes to the additional space. I'm going to hit enter. This will take a few moments, so I'll come on back once that's done. Okay, once the Linux development environment is installed, we can go to our browser and let's search for PhpStorm. This first link from JetBrains should pop up. I'm going to click on that and go to jetbrains.com/PhpStorm. I'm going to go click download, and I want to click on Linux here and download the .tar.gz file, so I'm going to click download. Once PhpStorm is downloaded, we can find it in our downloads folder. I'm going to click on downloads, find PhpStorm, and I'm going to right click and cut it, and then I'm going to go to my Linux files and right click and paste. Okay, once it's been moved over to our Linux files, I'm going to close this out and I'm going to bring back up my terminal here, and let me clear this with Control L, and we can list out the storage and we see we have PhpStorm. Okay, what I want to do next is unzip the tar.gz file and put it in the opt directory. To do that, I'm going to type sudo tar-xvf, then I'll start to type PhpStorm and hit tab to autocomplete that. I'll do a -c and then a /opt, and I'll hit enter. Okay, once that's run, I'll hit Control L to clear again. I'm going to do a /opt, start to type PhpStorm, hit tab to autocomplete that, then type bin, and then start to type PhpStorm, hit tab, and we want phpstorm.sh. I'm going to hit enter. Okay, the JetBrains user agreement is going to pop up. I'm going to check here to confirm and click continue. I'm not going to send my data, but you can choose that. I'm going to click don't send. Okay, and PhpStorm pops up and it's going to prompt me to log into my JetBrains account, put in my password, or start a free 30-day trial or buy a license. At this point, PhpStorm is installed on the Chromebook and we are good to go. If you like this video, like and subscribe.